How to enable the auto record calls or be able to record incoming calls. And this is for the Galaxy A16 phone, the 5G model. All right, so it's the one that ends with the DS. I don't know if you can see that there, right here. The ones that end with DS would most likely have this feature on your Galaxy A16 phone. This Galaxy A16 phone is with Android 15. So you want to go into the Samsung Dialer app right here. Then once there, tap on the three dots at the top right. As you do this, you'll see settings. And when you go into the settings area, you're going to see record calls. Now, other Samsung phones may have this feature, but this one just works. Like it gives you the option to have the record calls. So once you reach here, you can turn it on from here. And for some of us, it might prompt you about paying attention to your law before having the record calls come in, because not every country in the world allows for recording calls, right? Just so you know. Now, once you turn it on, you can tap here and you can choose for it to record all the calls, some those with unsaved numbers or calls with specific numbers, or all calls except specific numbers. So you have the unsaved numbers, that'll just record those. Or if you have a specific number, when you tap on it, you will put into the numbers to record. So once you select the specific number option, you'll go here and just input that number. And this is just a random number, but if that's your number, then high five to that. And I will go ahead and press done and then press the plus right here. That's gonna add it into this part here, showing me that this is part of the record calls section here. So now that's going to record just that number when it calls. Or the other option here, all the calls. This means that it's going to record all the calls except that specific number that you put in. So you can choose any of these options here, and if you don't like it, turn it off. Also, this will use storage on your phone itself. So if you don't have much storage left, then I would advise you turn this off. But other than that, if you don't like it, once again, turn it off, like and sub.